This needs to get an 11 star. I have been using this for a little while now. I want to say about 3-4 months, and I haven't been super consistent with it, will be honest, but this vitamin serum. It is potent, it is yet gentle. It is a great serum that delivers, you know, hydration, a glow, and all of the good things that you're looking for without the overwhelming skin, especially for anyone that is first time to the serum, vitamin C serum world. I do highly recommend this. I have been somebody that has constantly rebuying new products over and over again, and I'm happy to find something that I can constantly go back to and repurchase when this does finish. It is a little, like, really does go a long way. You really don't need much, but I use this in the morning all over my face, and I just really love how hydrating it is, how it's infused with vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, and it really just leaves my face feeling super fresh, that when I do wash it at night or even in the morning, I really do realize how it just keeps the softness. So I highly recommend this if you are looking to, you know, brighten your skin, even tone, all of the things that we women are always chasing. This does exactly it, so I cannot recommend this enough.